Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today I'll be showing you some tips and tricks to elevate your daily outfits, because sometimes we get so used to our outfits that we tend to not try something different, and sometimes different is good and interesting. So if you're interested, keep watching. This video is also sponsored by a brand called Linjer. Linjer offers luxury minimal jewelry for everyday wear at an affordable price, and they make jewelry which is made to last long. For example, their pieces are made of 14 karat solid gold, which is obviously a classic. So if you're looking for something affordable, you can go for gold vermeil pieces, which is 925 sterling silver coated with 14 karat gold, or you can choose from their gemstone collection, where you can choose the birthstone gemstone for your friends and family. So that would be a beautiful gift for Christmas and New Year's. And if you want to grab some of their pieces, do use my coupon code Juhi mentioned on the screen, which will give you some special discounts, and I will link everything down in the description box. Also, I'll go through some of the pieces I have got from them, and yeah, I'll go through all of that later in the video. The first tip would be try not the obvious. So for example, you're wearing a sweater and you wear it with your straight fit jeans, right? And that looks good, there's nothing wrong with it. So this is like a very obvious sort of outfit. Number one, I would say try changing the jeans to a trouser. That's a bit different and that's not very obvious, because on a daily basis, probably we don't gravitate more towards trousers. We might wear it for like our office or work environment because we are so used to it. Mixing and matching your outfits from different occasions gives you a very unique personality. If you are not interested in wearing the trousers, you can always try denim skirts or loose fit, relaxed fit skirts, which you might have worn in summer. And because it's very unusual to wear the skirts sometimes in winters, you can definitely wear that and style it in a different way. Second thing you can play around would be with the color. Instead of going for a black trouser, try a different color. You can go for dark gray, you can go for dark brown, you can go for like a navy color. You can use that to elevate any look. Another tip would be to try out different color combinations, and my favorite is definitely Pinterest. I just type like complementing colors with brown outfits and I just get a lot of options there, and most of the time you will find something like some inspiration. For example, a pink jumper would look amazing with a brown pant, or maybe even like a very nice pastel neutral green color will look very nice and beautiful with the brown. It's gonna give you a really nice style factor. It's not a very obvious usual outfit combination, and it will definitely stand you out. Also try layering. Layering definitely adds a lot of dimension to the outfit and hence elevates the overall look. I just love elevating my outfits by adding just a nice long coat or a trench coat. It's just a very easy way to amp up any look. Next tip would be, if you're hesitant to try the color combinations in your outfit, you can definitely try out adding a pop of color in your accessories. So for example, you can use a red bag, or you can add a red bow, ballet flats in different colors. The maroon is really trending. You can definitely try that out, or a dark brown ballet flats or Mary Janes would look amazing. Next tip would be jewelry. Now without jewelry, I don't think any outfit is complete. It gives you a lot of confidence and it also helps you express your personal style. Most of my jewelry is from this brand called Linjer, which I talked about earlier, and they have been kind enough to send me a few more items to test it out, and the packaging is so adorable. Just look at that. It is so gorgeous, such a luxury looking piece, and it comes with like a care manual like that. It has got all the information. First up is this beautiful baguette ring called Charlotte in London blue topaz, and such a beautiful ring to have. I really love this one. So gorgeous. It's not your usual ring, it's something different and unique. I love their gemstone collection. It is so beautiful and something different than your usual gold earrings and hoops and all that. And the next one is this beautiful rainbow hue ring. So this one is called Helen, multi gemstone Helen, and amazing quality. Looks absolutely gorgeous. It has got all the beautiful gemstones, like I think dark blue topaz, light blue topaz, citrine, and yeah, all the different hues, but gorgeous ring to have. I would highly recommend having this. If you love like gemstones, you would absolutely fall in love with this one. And the next one is what I'm wearing today, and I absolutely love this one. So this is such a cute little huggy earrings, and it has got again the gemstone on it. So it's the amethyst gemstone, which is like a light purple color. I'm not sure how how clearly you're able to see, but this is such a pretty earring and I love it. And the best part is that you can also like take it off this little charm. You can wear it as like a simple hoop itself if you want, but you can just attach this and just make it a little like charm earring, which is so pretty. And the last piece I got is this very minimal looking hoops, which is obviously a very staple in my wardrobe. I cannot do without my hoops. And this has got a very interesting design. So it has got this nice twisted design here, which is so gorgeous. I really love how minimal looking this is. So if you like these beautiful pieces, do check out the description box. Everything would be linked down below, and don't forget to use my coupon code Juhi to get that special discount on these pieces. So the jewelry you wear and style definitely expresses your personal style and definitely makes you look more stylish and stands you out. In terms of sunglasses, you can play around with a lot of variety. I usually like the oval ones, which used to be like trending I think in last year, but since the time I have worn it, I have realized that for my face shape it looks so amazing, it looks so beautiful, and as soon as I wear it I know that I look very stylish and you feel more confident. And yeah, everybody's style is different, so you can try different sunglasses, but definitely adding a bit of like stylish sunglasses makes your outfit so much more stylish. In terms of shoes, I would say if you are someone who wears like sweater, denim or trousers and just add like sneakers, I would say swap your sneakers with a beautiful pair of boots. Boots can uplift any outfit like that, especially because it's winter, so that's why I'm more like focusing more on this winter related pieces. I usually go for something which is kind of rounded but not too round, like a square rounded like tip, and the ankle should be like fitted. It shouldn't be too loose. It looks so weird if it's too loose. If you're wearing like wide leg jeans, wide leg pants, even if you're wearing like maxi dresses or midi dresses, boots look so amazing. If you have knee-high boots, I don't have one so I can't show you, but knee-high boots with like nice satin skirt or long skirts look so amazing. And even with like dresses with slits, you can wear knee-high boots. It looks so amazing. The second shoe which I would suggest would be loafers. I really love loafers. It's a bit tricky to style, I completely understand, but there are different options out there. Now the chunky ones look so beautiful, and you know, you need to try this out. If you're wearing like a nice jumper and you're wearing like trousers, I would suggest maybe a cropped one would be best for wearing or trying like these kind of chunky loafers. Usually if you have a little bit of gap between your trousers and your shoes, loafers, it looks way more stylish than wearing wide leg pants and then the loafers. So with the wide leg pants, I would definitely recommend trying the boots, and loafers can be worn with a little bit of like cropped sort of denim or trouser. It will look so chic. Definitely try wearing socks with your shoes, and even if it's showing, there's no issues at all. In fact, it's going to be more stylish. And the most important thing would be fit and proportion. It's very important that something fits you really well, and if you don't know if something is fitting you well or not, just try out different sizes. For example, if you have been wearing size 10 all along, maybe try 12 to see how it fits on your body. Are you feeling more confident in that size? Or maybe size down a bit to check that out. So you need to feel more comfortable and relaxed, and you will notice that the piece that fits you better, you will reach for that piece more than the other ones. So it's very important to keep that in mind. And also the proportions. So for me, I'm a pear-shaped body type. I have like wider hips, so I like to wear wide leg jeans, wide leg pants, and I like to pair it with like tight fitted tops. Sometimes I would wear it with like baggier tops, but I will tuck it into the waist to define my waist, and it gives me a nice balanced proportion. And outfits which are balanced or proportionate as per your body, it gives a bit more visual appeal and looks more attractive, and that's like a science behind it, nothing to do with the body type. So maybe don't think about your body type, maybe think about how you can make your outfit look more balanced or proportionate, and you will figure out what looks good on you. For example, you can wear an oversized jumper, but if you're wearing it with the denim, make sure the denim is a little bit more like straight fitted. It's not too baggy or something, so a little bit more like straight fit, sort of less baggier than your tops. And I have talked more about that in my previous videos, like how to style as per your body type, so you can definitely check it out. And last but not the least, it's very important to be not scared to try something new, not be shy or think of what other people would think. Just try out whatever you like. Just dress up for any occasion. You don't have to wait for an occasion to dress up, because the more you experiment and the more you try and more you dress up, you would know what suits you, what looks more stylish. So yeah, don't overthink this. Just go there, enjoy dressing up, and don't forget that you're beautiful the way you are. The outfits are just a way of expressing your personal style, your personality, and it's just fun to play with dressing up and styling. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. And also let me know in the comments down below if there's any other topics which you would like me to cover in future. Also, if you like these jewelry pieces, definitely check out the link. I have mentioned everything in the description box. Don't forget to use my coupon code Juhi mentioned on the screen to get that special discount. And my favorite ring would definitely be this baguette ring, the blue one. This is so gorgeous. So yeah, really love it. And also like this one, this is so cute. But let me know which one did you like in the comments down below. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, bye.